Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add the certificate you received from IIENSTITU to your LinkedIn profile. First, log in to your course page and click on the My Certificates section as shown. Next, we'll move on to how to add these certificate details to your LinkedIn profile. Open your LinkedIn profile and click on the plus sign in the License and Certification section. As you know all in the necessary fields that appear, use the issue organization name, the issue date and certification name. For the expiration date, you can leave blank because the certificates from the institute are valid indefinitely. The credential URL should be the exact link from your certificate verification area. From here, your name, surname, and the certificate you received can be verified. Congratulations! That's all there is to it.